Hi, I'm Jiahang Li. The NAT ID is JL11975. About the question 5, there is suppose 100 people are waiting for a blood test for a kind of disease. The probability that for one person the test result is positive equals 0.1. Two test methods are as follows. The method 1, test each person one by one. Then we have to do 100 tests. Method 2. Divide 100 people into 10 groups with 10 people in each group. Then mix 10 people's blood and test that mixture. If the result is negative, then everyone in this group is negative. If the result is positive, then we test these 10 people's blood one by one. Now the number of tests becomes 1 plus 10 equals 11. And the question is, on the average, what is the number of the tests we need to do by the second method? In this circumstance, we will consider 100 samples in group of 10, and the number of tests for each group may be 1 or 11. And when 10 people in a group of samples are all negative, the number of tests in this group is 1. And when all people in a group of samples are not negative, the number of tests in this group is 11. And in the first case, all 10 people in this group are negative. Since the probability of each person is independent, and the probability of each person being negative is 0.9. Therefore, the probability of all 10 people being negative is the 10th power of 0.9. The expected number of tests is 1 times the 10th power of 0.9. And in case 2, because case 2 and case 1 are mutually exclusive, and case 1 and case 2 contains all possibilities, so we can simply subtract the probability of case 1 from the probability of case 2. That is to say, the 9th power of 1 minus 10 is the probability of occurrence of case 2. When case 2 occurs, this group of samples needs to be tested 11 times. Therefore, the expected number of tests in case 2 should be 11 times 1 minus 9 power 0.9, 10 power 0.9. Finally, we can add the expected test times in 2 cases. That is the expected test times of the whole method 2, and we can get about 7.5. 7.5 is the expected number of tests for each group of 10 people. Therefore, there are 10 groups of 100 people. So we need to multiply 7.5 by 10 to get the final answer. With the test method of method 2, the average test should be 75 times.